The best Adirondack chairs for relaxing in summer. The right chair is all you need to make your backyard cozy and comfy. Adirondack chairs have an ergonomic design that supports your lumbar region, resulting in comfort. We have created a list of the best Adirondack chairs for you to explore. These chairs work well in gardens, patios, lounge areas, and backyards. They are available in various materials such as composite wood, iron, resin, and recycled plastic to suit your requirements. These chairs are sturdy and water-resistant for long-lasting performance. So whether you want to read a book in your garden or take a short break, these low-lying chairs are a must-have. Take a look at our list to learn more. Number 1. Best Natural Wood Finish. Best Choice Products Folding Wooden Adirondack Lounger Chair. The Adirondack chair from Best Choice Products is designed to give you comfort and is suitable for indoor as well as outdoor usage. The chair is lightweight and foldable, making it highly portable. The natural hemlock wood adds charm to the product, and it has a tall backrest, large seat, and wide armrests, making it ideal for rejuvenation and relaxation. What we like: made from high-quality materials, has a natural wood finish, measures 30.5 by 28 and 35 inches, has a weight capacity of 350 pounds. What we don't like: may take time to assemble. Number 2. Best with wide armrest. Serwall Adirondack Chair. Serwall Adirondack Chair is made of high-impact polystyrene that is long-lasting and durable. This low-maintenance product is available in gray and feels like real wood. This weather-resistant Adirondack chair can be placed anywhere, be it the patio, garden, lounge room, or by the pool, and would complement any decor. What we like: available in different color options, wide armrest, load capacity of 380 pounds, foldable chair with table design, no fading or peeling. What we don't like: may not be easy to assemble as claimed. Number 3. Best with Color Stay Technology. Polywood Classic Adirondack Chair. This classic Adirondack outdoor chair from Polywood is made for the outdoors. The rustic furniture is made of recycled milk jugs and is weatherproof and can withstand any environmental stressors. Besides, it can be easily cleaned with water and soap. What we don't like: traditional back. Color Stay Technology requires no painting in the future. Available in different colors. What we don't like: some users might find it small. Number 4. Best Easy to Assemble. Flash Furniture Charlestown All-Weather. Flash Furniture's Adirondack chair is a relaxing piece of furniture available in 4 different color options. It can be used both indoors and outdoors, and the chair is easy to maintain. You can easily clean it with water and detergent. The vertical back design is supportive, and the slanted seat adds to the comfort. In addition, this relaxing chair is UV treated to prevent fading. What we like: durable outdoor chair with polystyrene frame, does not chip, splinter, or peel, wide and long arms, rust-resistant screws, can be used anywhere in the house, easy to assemble. What we don't like: might not be ideal for tall and heavy people. Number 5. Best Fade Resistant. Yefu Adirondack Patio Chairs. The recycled Adirondack chair from Yefu is available in blue and requires just 5 steps for complete installation with the help of an electric screwdriver. This classic furniture has a load capacity of 350 pounds and is designed ergonomically to provide you with the utmost comfort. What we like: fade resistant, doesn't crack and peel easily, features a wide armrest, screws made of stainless steel, low static electricity, low maintenance, weather resistant chair. What we don't like: might not be heavy duty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.